All right, you made it to our first series of classes, programs, and webinars. Now, this is entitled the Beginner Series, but you by no means have to be a total beginner in order to appreciate the content. But if you are, that's absolutely fine. This program is designed to teach you about the markets, how they work, how they move, and why. We talk about supply and demand, we talk about support and resistance, we talk about candlestick patterns, talk about where to get in, why, and most importantly, we discuss risk mitigation. The below content is entirely free, and it is more valuable than any college course I ever took on finance. Of that I can assure you. You're gonna love the content below, you're gonna love the videos, and I mostly look forward to your questions and your emails about your growth and progress. So shoot me an email anytime, jeremy@reallifetrading.com. I do answer all of my emails, and I look forward to teaching you in class. You rock, and I'll see you there. Bye.